4 beauty tips to make your skin glow in time for Diwali 2022. Try out these amazing skincare tips to get glowing this festive season. Before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more informative and interesting videos. Here's your ultimate guide to prep your skin for Diwali 2022. 1. Hydrating essentials for the skin. There are hardly a few days until Diwali, and we cannot entirely hop onto a new skincare regimen. Hence, we need essentials that can work like magic and add to your festive glow. Hydration is extremely essential for the skin, and it is essential to opt for ingredients that benefit our routine and add to it. Hydrating serums are a great way to amp up your regimen. They will add moisture and hydration to your skin and give you a glowing finish. 2. Exfoliation is a must. Make sure to unclog those stubborn pores. Exfoliate your skin with a soothing yet effective exfoliator a few days before and prep your skin right away. Go for ingredients that suit your skin type and fit your already existing skincare routine. It will help in clearing the skin and give you a plump and supple base. 3. Glowing face masks. We all need something that helps us with an instant or last-minute glow. This is when we need these glowing masks in our beauty repertoire. Whether you like a sheet mask or a face pack, we have got you covered with the best face masks to get that glow right this festive season. 4. Amp up your night care routine. We might not believe this, but amping up our night care routine can benefit the skin in a great way. Opt for hydrating sleeping masks, as they are the best way to wake up to a dewy and moisturized skin. You can even opt for some effective under-eye serums to up your beauty routine.